All right, I'm back with another unboxing, but this time I have something extra special. I actually ordered a new pet online, a pet to actually go in that tank. I'll be right back. We're back. So we don't have a lot of time, so let's get right into it. Okay, styrofoam, paper, here they are. Any guesses? Go. If you guessed purple mystery snails, then you, my friend, are correct. And the breeder actually sent me an extra one, that little baby in the back. And it looks like the Amano shrimp approve as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.